Hello weekend crafter, welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, your weekend crafter, and for this weekend, I am back to making colors. I will be mixing terracotta colors. Terracotta colors are warm and earthy colors, but with touches of brown and undertones of gray. Let's mix sandstone, tumbleweed, earth, and canyon. First, let's give our workspace a good clean. I use a glass mat and so I spritz it with some alcohol and wipe it down. For the first color, let's mix sandstone. I use 1 part of Fimo flesh and 3 parts Sculpey Premo in white. My Fimo is quite hard and crumbly and so I use my hammer to condition this. This is how it looks like after the first time I hammer it together. Now, this is how it looks like after passing it through my roller. Next, I get 1 part Sculpey III in hazelnut brown. I hammer it once again, and now you can see that the clay is turning a little bit pink. And this is how the color looks like now. I also add a bit of mica to this tan color. Using mica is a great way to add subtle colors. And finally, I add gray granite. As I mentioned earlier, there are undertones of gray and terracotta colors, and so I will add gray granite to all my colors. If you're new to my channel, you might wonder if it's okay to use different brands. From my experience, I haven't really found any problem with mixing brands. I've mixed Kato, the different lines of Sculpey and Fimo, and so far I haven't encountered any difficulty. For the next color, let's mix tumbleweed. I'm bringing out hazelnut brown and orange. Take 1 part of hazelnut brown. This gets mixed with 2 parts of white and 1 part orange and 2 parts of gray granite. Sorry for the clip getting cut. My camera suddenly died on me, but I will place the recipes on the description box. For the third color, let's mix earth. Cut 3 parts white with 1 part hazelnut brown. One part burnt umber, and 1 part orange. When I say parts, I actually mean proportions, which I'm showing here. Again, I add gray granite at the end to give an undertone of gray to this color. And for the final color, let's mix canyon. You will need 1 part chocolate brown, 1 part orange, and 1 part burnt umber, all mixed with white. And finally, let's add gray granite. This is the full collection of colors and I really love how they turned out. I can actually see myself doing a lot of projects with this set. I made a coaster using these colors to see how all of them come together. I really love color mixing and I'm actually thinking about making a color recipe book. What do you guys think? I know some would like to have the recipes on hand to go back to so that they can recreate the colors. It's been on my mind to have everything together, so do comment down below if you think this is a good idea. I'm making a terrazzo-inspired coaster and I textured both sides of the clay slab because I know it will stick better to my cork if the clay is textured. Then I traced the shape of my coaster using a detail needle. Now I'm just going to leave you with me placing the different terracotta colors on the slab. hope that you enjoyed my color mixing video. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!